I get so car sick every time I'm in the cars here, so I'm gonna go lay down because I feel like trash. So I'm gonna show you guys my room. I'm staying at the Citizen M in downtown LA, and I stayed at the Citizen M hotel when I was in New York last year for Fashion Week. They're known for like their micro rooms, so they're literally like tiny, tiny, tiny. But this time I wanted to see what my room looked like because I planned on filming some content, and someone was like, oh, ask for a wheelchair accessible room and like let them know like if there's any extra, can I have a wheelchair accessible room? And I got a way bigger room, so here we are. You get this big bathroom. If you saw my New York Fashion Week vlog, the other bathroom is legit just a sink and a shower small enough that you can legit only stand in it. Yeah, this is mad spacious compared to Citizen M's normal hotels. I already put my stuff down in here, little closet area. This is a good size for like a normal hotel, but if you've ever stayed at a Citizen M, you know they're like micro rooms. This is a steal. I got a really good room. And then the blinds, I'm gonna keep the blinds down because I think I'm gonna lay down. I feel mad car sick. Goodbye. Good morning. So I am dressed and ready to go on set. Luckily set is like a little over half a mile from me, but it's really cold this morning and I didn't pack anything for like the cold mornings. So I might just Uber there because I don't like being cold. I basically just woke up, showered, washed my face, put on a little comfy fit, and they're gonna glam me when I get there. Okay, wait, I did want to put these on real quick. And luckily I don't need to like stop and get coffee or anything because they always get it for us. On the call sheet email, it had like a link for a group coffee order. So we got to put in our order, which is lovely. It's only me and Sabrina, which I've worked with before, and another model today. So it's just 3 of us. We're shooting at a loft, I believe. All right. Let these bad boys marinate on the way there. My skincare soaking. Let's do this. So we're shooting at this studio in downtown LA. The last 2 times I shot with them, we shot at like this big mansion. So I'm interested to see what type of content we're doing since we're gonna be in a studio, I believe. Hi guys. So I just washed my makeup off and I like scrubbed my face to death, so I think it's like red and inflamed everywhere. I'm getting like a patch of what feels like might be cystic acne, and you know, if you know, it gets so itchy. So I was just like scratching it with a rag. Anyways, my face is all red and crazy looking, but I just plucked my extensions out. Oh, they were giving me a headache. They were so heavy. When I work with Nova, they give me like full glam and extensions, and I'm like, I look like a baddie, but I'm like, kind of not myself. I didn't get to film on set today because I believe in my contract I'm not actually supposed to film on site. I'm legit getting a big zit in between my eyeballs on my forehead. I'm trying to like smother that with acne cream before I have to go back to shoot on Thursday. But yeah, this vlog is, you know, gonna be a little all over the place, like me, always. Today I shot with Nova, shot with Sabrina and a girl named Kari. That was my first time meeting her. She was super sweet. Yeah, it was actually really nice. It was only half a mile away from my hotel, so I just walked home. Tomorrow I have off. Tonight I just have been catching up on some work on my phone. I shot some content and now I'm waiting for my food to get here, and then I'm gonna force myself to go to the gym. I didn't go to the gym yesterday. I traveled and then I came to my hotel room and I slept. This girl is on her period. She needs her full 8 to 9 hours. Yesterday, I legit didn't do anything besides sleep, read my book, and eat. Tomorrow, I need to wake up, work out. I think I'm just gonna go explore tomorrow, do something fun. Find something fun to get into tomorrow. But yeah, that's all. I somehow spent $70 on this order. This is disgusting. My noodles are mushed together. Like, it doesn't even taste like a noodle. Like, it's just mush. They give me a lot of meat on top. This does not taste like noodles at all. And there's barely any noodles. It's just like the bottom of the bowl is mush and then there's meat. I'm pissed. Good morning! I actually woke up at like 8 a.m. Now it's 10 o'clock, but I was in my bed, talking on the phone, posting, editing, working from my phone. Now I am getting ready to go to the gym in my hotel. I did not go last night after work. I got stuck in the bed reading, scrolling, and yapping on the phone, and I didn't go. So today is my day off. I put so much acne treatment on my face that it dried it out so bad. But anyways, I think I'm gonna go to the pool and finish this book I got, go get lunch, and probably buy another book. I love reading, but then when I do get in the kick of reading, all I want to do is read and put off all my obligations, which is what happened the first day I got here and yesterday. I was gonna try and like go do a photo shoot or go shoot content today, but my skin is really not loving me, and I have shoot for Nova tomorrow, so we're not wearing makeup today. We're just gonna relax. Yesterday, the hairstylist on set was doing my curls, and he was like trying to pin them and like let them cool, and was like, oh, I don't want them to fall. And I was like, trust me, my hair holds on to curl. It will not fall. And look at it this morning. Still as curly as ever, not flat by any means. He didn't put a single bit of hairspray on my hair. All he kept doing was brushing it and brushing it and brushing it. And it's still like perfectly curly. I will say, going blonde, I did lose a lot of hair, but I still have really good hair. Like, it's light and fluffy, so I can get it very voluminous, and it holds curl like no other. I need to start doing those heatless curls at night. That would be the move, actually. I don't know if you guys could notice, I wasn't like looking at the screen when I was talking. I'm also filming on Snapchat. I'm too old for this shit, you guys. I'm trying to keep up with the internet, okay? Snapchat and all the platforms. I have been trying to snap as well, so right now we were like dual purposing here. If you're not already following me on Snapchat, Reality with Riss, that's the handle. Go follow her. Why is there so many platforms on the internet, you guys? TikTok, I have 2. Instagram, I have 2. Twitter, Threads, Snapchat, YouTube. Am I forgetting anything? A lot of posting. So I just had breakfast at my hotel, and he was so sweet. Breakfast was about to close, so he told me I could have it complimentary. So normally it's like $25 or something. So that was really nice. And yeah, I need to work out today, so I'm starting off with walking outside because I've been inside that hotel for far too long. So now I'm getting my steps in around downtown LA, and it's really funny because downtown LA is very eclectic. It's like you could get robbed, and then you could also get a modeling opportunity, and like your whole life changed on the same street. You just never know what you're gonna see in LA. So my guard is up. I'm not gonna be vlogging that much, but yeah. All right, bye. It is almost 5 o'clock and I still have not gone to the gym. I went on a hot girl walk, went to a park and walked, and then I was like, okay, after this walk, I'm gonna go back to my hotel and work out. Then I got stuck in my room letting my phone charge, reading my book, dilly-dallying. The way that light is like making a glitch on my screen, I don't like it. Do you see these like lines going down the screen? I went to my hotel gym just now. They have nothing. Nothing for me to do a heavy leg day. Not a single, I don't know why I expected them to have anything. So now, look at my Harry Potter glasses. I really need to get some new ones because these ones are so nerdy. I cannot. So now I have to go to either Planet Fitness or LA Fitness. Both of them laughed at me on the phone when I asked if they did a free day pass. Because I'm in LA. Why would anything in LA be free? So yeah, now I'm about to go drop $20 so I can work out. Love that. And then tomorrow, I don't think I'm going to be able to work out because I have to work. I'm just doing a bunch of yapping, trying to avoid walking to the gym and paying $20 to go work out. I'm not going to bring my camera because when I walk home, it's going to be late. And I want to have as little things on me as possible because I'm going to be walking through downtown LA. Catch up with you guys when I get back. This is a very boring vlog because I literally came here for work and I've basically sat in my hotel room and read my book. I've been so invested in like wasting time on my phone scrolling and my book that I've barely like eaten. So I've been being so good for the past month with my macros and my workouts, and I fly to LA and I fuck it up all in like a matter of 3 days. Like, I didn't overindulge and eat anything bad. I just haven't like tracked my macros and worked out like I should. Ebbs and flows, baby. I'm not gonna beat myself up about it. I kind of already did, but it's fine. I'm gonna go work out. Okay, bye. So we just wrapped on set of day 2. This morning I didn't get to vlog because I woke up 10 minutes after my call time. So I was super late to set, but somehow my glam team still got me ready in time and everything worked out. Say hi to Sabrina. Hello. home. I was in LA earlier, and I don't know if I vlogged too much towards the end of the trip, but it's hard for me to vlog just because under my contract with Fashion Nova, I'm not able to like film on set like that, so I'm only able to show you guys like tiny bits and pieces. But yeah, we were out there for a week. I flew out at like midnight on Thursday and I shot content with them. Now we're back home. I've just been catching up, cleaning my house, working out. We have some exciting updates. Right now I'm heading to go get micro needling, so I'm going to show you guys that. It's actually called Tri-Lift, and I showed you guys in another vlog me getting that done. It's like this 3-step process. It does a million things on your face. Basically, it helps with scarring, like collagen, reproduction, yada yada yada. But I bought it in like a package, so I believe I get 4 or 5 treatments. The only issue is that the first time I got my treatment done, it took me 7 days to heal from it. With my work being that I'm on camera every day, I've had to keep rescheduling this appointment. So today I have to get it no matter what, and I have to just take a break from work. There's just no way around it. I'm not dreading a break from work, but I'm just like, okay, I need to make sure I'm keeping on all my P's and Q's. But anyways, I'm going to get this done, and today is Tuesday. On Thursday, I got invited by TEMS manager to her concert. So on Thursday, I'm gonna be going to TEMS concert with probably 1,000 little micro scabs on my face. Anyways, that's on Thursday. Then I'm basically just gonna be training, working out really hard, keeping on top of my macros, because your girl got booked for New York Fashion Week. I'm not going to tell you guys the brand right now just because I want to save that for another video, but let's just say it's a very big brand, very noteworthy brand. I'm so excited. If you guys saw my vlog last year, I went to New York Fashion Week, and while I was in New York, I found out that I had an article written about me in Cosmopolitan. So that was like, I remember crying in that vlog and being so excited. But that experience in New York Fashion Week, I will tell you, was frustrating because I went as a freelance model, not knowing what I was getting myself into, not knowing where the castings were. I was just ad-libbing. Like, I was just going to castings and asking people in line about other castings and trying to figure it out. And I did get booked for a good amount of shows, but they were very small shows, very small designers. They weren't a part of the official New York Fashion Week. So if you're in the fashion world or modeling world, you would understand that there's like Miami Swim Week, New York Fashion Week, Paris Fashion Week, and then there's all these smaller designers and production companies that do shows during that time, but they're not like the legit New York Fashion Week. So that's kind of what I got caught up in last year. I was unaware until I got there and I did the shows, and then I was like, oh, this is not like the big New York Fashion Week. This year I'm gonna be in the big New York Fashion Week. So yeah, that's why we're going to get our face taken care of. We're in the gym heavy. Yesterday I spent 4 hours in the gym, like crazy. That's because I was also working on my phone. Besides the point, I'm gonna stop talking and let's go get this micro needling done.
Always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark.
We're started on the micro needling part.
RF micro needling.
And she already numbed my face. So last time I don't think I did numbing, so it was a little bit more painful. Now this time all I really feel is like the heat. What did we do before this? What was the step?
We did the dynamic muscle stimulation, and then we did radio frequency, and that's when this part was up, and that was
yeah, so the last step just caused a lot of tightening. So like we did one side of my face. I should have showed you guys one side versus the other, and it was like super snatched on this side. Every time I talk about facial stuff, I'm like, yeah, you know, it does this and that. I don't know any of the terminology or the science behind anything. I'm just like, yeah, whatever my esthetician says, I do it.
Well, we've been doing good so far because you're looking great.
Yeah, I've been with her for almost a year now.
Mm-hmm.
October will be a year. All right, now we're gonna do under my eye.
A little prevention of lines. She don't have much, but it's good for preventive maintenance. Or keep away those crow's feet. We're good.
Last time I didn't have numbing, so it was so painful. This time it wasn't so painful, but it was painful. This time the numbing really, really helped. Yeah, I vlogged the last time too, and my face was crazy looking afterwards.
Tell them that you're gonna be late, 'cause I'm gonna need you to explain.
Get ready with me to go to a TEMS concert. I'm so excited. I use her audios all the time on my content, and her manager actually reached out to me and was like, oh, like, I love your song selection, and invited me to her first world tour. So me and my girlfriends are going tonight, and I'm so excited!
But I really won't rest. Even though, bro, I can let you go.
rest. But you live a life, there's no way you can get me. They lock me up in a cell. Then they shock them when they see me on the telly. You know I'm a vibe and a run. Hey, what you know? Came for the wickedest. Me and my girls are the wickedest. I know you see it, I know you want more. I want you, I keep moving, I've been going, I've been bouncing in my life, no thinking twice. In my lane, so no keep it. Don't worry, you know me. I don't send anybody. I'm alright, I do it naturally. I have done all the limits, going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, that was big tunes I'm killing. Crying out from the side now, call my name.
So I am currently headed to go get my glam done. I am shooting for a brand called VOIGHT today, and they are so freaking cute. I have been eyeing this brand for a long time, and they've asked me to shoot before, but it didn't work out with my schedule. Today, I believe we're just doing something simple. They want to book me for a walking video, for me to be like walking along the beach in their bikini. So I feel like that's what I've become known for, is just me walking. It goes viral, so like brands be like, yeah, that's the girl that walks, let's book her. So yeah, like me on set is very simple. A lot of times I'm literally just getting paid to walk. And I don't know what happened with the internet, but somehow every time I post a video of me walking, it usually like goes crazy. Easy day of work for me. I don't have to do too much posing. You know, some girls do a lot of editorial work and like editorial poses, and that's just not the case for me. I just walk. So I'm not complaining, it's pretty cool. I just pulled up to their office. I'm really excited. Of course, I ran out of contacts, so I have to wear my glasses. I'm gonna take them off while we shoot. I'll just be like super blind, but it's fine. Yeah, let's go inside.